Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best headlight restoration is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial investments for any car owner, as foggy, yellowed headlights not only diminish your vehicle's aesthetic appeal but more importantly, severely compromise your visibility and safety during nighttime driving, making a high-quality kit an essential tool for maintaining both the look and functionality of your car. Number 5. Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. Is your car's visibility compromised by dull, yellowed headlights? This kit quickly removes yellowing, stains, oxidation, and haze. It restores them to a clear, like new condition, enhancing your driving safety. Say goodbye to complex restoration processes. This product offers an all-in-one solution, polishing away light to moderate oxidation and providing protection in a single, convenient step. It simplifies headlight maintenance for everyone. Beyond just clarity, it also tackles surface imperfections. This kit effectively reduces the appearance of hairline scratches, smudges, and other surface flaws. Your headlights will look smoother and more refined. It comes with a specialized power plastic 4-lights polish. This powerful formula not only restores clarity but also leaves behind a durable, oxidation-inhibiting protective layer. It's designed for lasting results. Enjoy extended clarity with its long-lasting protection. Its advanced protective polymers help guard your headlights from harmful UV rays and environmental damage. This ensures they stay clear for longer. Achieve professional-grade results quickly and easily at home. It's designed for fast, controlled restoration, utilizing a foam polishing tool and sanding discs. You'll be amazed by the transformation. This kit represents an update to traditional headlight restoration. It offers a fully mechanized program, making the process more efficient and effective than ever before. Experience the next level of headlight care. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive, single-step solution for headlight restoration. It not only polishes away oxidation but also leaves a durable, protective layer. If you are looking for a complete, long-lasting restoration with minimal effort, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Headlight Restore and Protect. Are your headlights looking cloudy or yellowed? This product is designed to bring them back to life, making your vehicle look newer and improving visibility. It effectively cleans away oxidation and grime that dulls your headlights. You'll be amazed at how much clearer they become after just one application. Not only does it clean, but it also restores the original clarity to your lenses. This ensures maximum light output for safer night driving. Beyond restoration, it provides a protective barrier. This shield helps prevent future fading and yellowing, keeping them clear for longer. This formula is safe for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. It's an essential tool for maintaining all your vehicle's headlights. What we like. This product is designed to both restore clarity and provide ongoing protection against future fading. Its formula is safe for a wide range of vehicles, from trucks to RVs. If you own multiple vehicle types and want a versatile solution that offers both immediate results and preventative care, consider this option. What people say. Number 3. Clear Lights Tech Headlight Restoration Kit. This 3-wipe system brings back the clear vision your headlights once had. It effectively removes yellowing and oxidation, significantly improving your nighttime driving safety. Plus, it provides long-lasting UV protection. Bring your headlights back to life in minutes with this easy-to-use kit. It seals in long-lasting clarity, helping you drive safely through dark roads, rainstorms, or foggy highways with confidence. Skip the shop and use this kit to clear fog and oxidation fast. It delivers a sharp, polished finish while sealing in protection, all in minutes, right in your driveway. This kit includes 2 cleaning wipes and 1 protective wipe. Its powerful polish removes haze, seals lenses, and helps keep your lights clear. It's a simple way to restore visibility and upgrade your car's look. Give your headlights a new glow with this premium restore system. This easy-to-use polishing kit quickly removes buildup, creating a UV-sealed finish that keeps them clear in any weather. Wipe away dullness and grime using its cleaner, then protect the finish with its coating. Your headlights stay crystal clear, and your car gets that polished appearance that lasts through daily use. What we like. This kit stands out with its incredibly simple 3-wipe system for quick restoration. You can achieve bright, clear headlights in just minutes, right in your driveway. If you prioritize speed and an ultra-easy application process for immediate results, this system is perfect for you. What people say. The cleaning solution effectively removes oxidation and haze from headlight lenses. Users report a noticeable improvement in headlight brightness and beam clarity after application. The kit includes all necessary components for a complete restoration process. Number 2. 3M Auto Restore and Protect Headlight Restoration Kit, 39194. Are your vehicle's headlights looking dull or yellowed? Over time, plastic lenses can lose their clarity, diminishing both appearance and safety. This kit offers a simple solution to bring back that like-new look. It's designed to restore clarity and protect your plastic lenses. You can use it on a variety of plastic lenses, including headlights, taillights, and even fog lights. It's a comprehensive solution for many vehicle lights. The kit includes specialized sanding discs to effectively remove oxidation and haziness. This crucial step prepares the surface for optimal restoration. Follow up with the headlight clear coat wipes, which provide a durable protective layer. This helps prevent future yellowing and maintains clarity. Everything you need is included, such as a foam pad and a glove for a smooth application. It ensures you have the right tools for the job. With this kit, you'll not only enhance your vehicle's appearance but also improve nighttime visibility. Give your car the clear vision it deserves. What we like. This kit provides a robust solution to both restore and protect your plastic lenses. It includes sanding discs and a clear coat wipe for a thorough, professional-grade finish. If you are seeking a comprehensive kit that delivers durable, high-quality results on various plastic lenses, this is a strong contender. What people say. Number 1. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Silverado Avalanche. Enhance your vehicle's look and safety with these premium headlight assemblies. They are specifically designed for various Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models from 2003 to 2007, ensuring a perfect fit. Don't let the elements dim your journey. These assemblies are fully sealed with solid silicone and feature one-way vents, effectively preventing moisture buildup and corrosion in any weather condition. Experience a clearer view of the road ahead. Their metallic parabolic reflectors deliver a brighter, broader, and smoother light beam, significantly improving your night driving visibility. Stay visible to others on the road. The integrated microprism side reflectors ensure oncoming vehicles and pedestrians quickly notice you, adding an extra layer of safety to your travels. Constructed with a durable polycarbonate lens and tough housing, these headlights are highly resistant to shock and vibration. They are engineered to withstand the challenges of any road condition. This kit includes a pair of headlights for both the passenger and driver sides, offering a complete replacement solution. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure optimal performance. What we like. Unlike restoration kits, this product offers a complete replacement of your headlight assemblies. It provides significantly brighter lighting and enhanced durability with its waterproof design. If your headlights are beyond restoration or you're looking for a complete performance upgrade rather than just cleaning, this full assembly replacement is your solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.